Hello everyone and welcome in today's tutorial where I'll be teaching you about the arrow member selection operator. So as you know, in the earlier tutorials I taught you guys how to create a class in Visual Studio. What you need to do is you need to right click on your program, click add, and just click class. Enter your class name and click OK. But I already have a class. And when you create a class file, you get two separate files, which have the same name, which means that it's the same class. But this is the header file. Here is where we prototype all of our functions. The .cpp is where we write the actual code. So as you see in the header, I already prototype a function called print something. In here in the CPP file, I simply just put this, which indicates that we want to work with the print something function from the class techlab, as you know, the binary scope resolution operator, which I also taught you guys in the earlier tutorials. And let's just simply print out a message to the user. Hello there. Perfect. Now, when we go here in our main C++ program, you probably know, okay, let's write techlab, to, the object name, and to dot print something, and let's just print our function. Hello there. So, what did we do here is just we used the object to call the functions in our class. We separate them with a dot. But with the arrow member selection operator, what we do is we make our object a pointer. So for example, techlab, uh, and let's put a star to, and let's set it equal to the memory address of our first. Let's make to pointer and to our first object. And how do we now get this function through the memory address with our pointer? So that's how the arrow member selection operator comes handy. So what we can just do is write to pointer, and instead of writing the dot, which we separated from the function we want to call in our main function, we write this arrow, and as you see, it automatically detects that we want to print something. So print something, and that's how we simply call it. So when we run this again, hello there, hello there. So the arrow member selection operator is simply like calling it with separating it through with a dot with the normal object, but here we are making a pointer object which we're setting the memory location of the first object that we created.